Welcome to our guide on creating and managing resource groups in Azure. Resource groups are essential for organizing and managing your Azure resources. To create a resource group, log into the Azure Portal. Click on Create a Resource. In the search box, type Resource Group and click on Resource Group. Click on Create and then on Resource Group. Fill in the required fields, including the subscription, resource group name, and region. Once completed, click Review plus Create and then Create. To manage your resource group, navigate to it in the portal. Here, you can add resources, set access permissions, and monitor usage. Remember, resource groups help streamline your Azure management, making it easier to deploy and manage resources together.